So hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com. Then you can see the right hand side search button. Just click and enter your model number of your motherboard B760M DS3H generation 5. Then hit enter. Click on product. Click off the title of this motherboard name. Then click on support. Select your operating system which is your required Windows 10 and 11. So select any because installation process is almost same. Chipset, Intel INF installer, and just click to download. Select click to open and just double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Yeah, it is installing. Then it is close. Then